Now, as usual, as I said, you start with the drawing XY line first. Get the XY line. If possible, each one of you can draw this line. Okay, I will name this line as a XY line. And this is nothing but the reference line where horizontal plane and the vertical plane meets each other. Now, what's the next step? Once you get the XY line, what next is to be done? Anyone?
Perpendicular line.
Yes, perpendicular line from the left direction means from X. So we'll get perpendicular line. Any line. Then apart from this, AB 60, 30-degree inclination with HP, elevation length 40, endpoint A on VP and 10 millimeter above HP. Which data can be utilized first?
10 millimeter above HP.
10 millimeter above HP and on VP. Okay. So on VP means that point, end point, top viewpoint will be appearing on XY line. I will make it as a point here and I will take 10 millimeter. I will take 10 millimeter. So here, how we can name to this point? This is 10 millimeter above XY line means it is given 10 millimeter above HP. That's why we have taken this. So I say it's a 10. Okay. Can you name these 2 points here? Which point you
A
will get here?
dash.
A dash. And this point?
A.
Point A. Okay. Because I will explain it later on with the help of this rotating the camera. Okay. But I think most of you understood this. So what next then? After this, once you will get 2 points, then we have to draw the horizontal line passing through those points. So already from A, that is on XY line. So by default, it is there. So necessarily we have to draw the line passing through A dash and which will be parallel to XY line, right? Then what next? See, now we have finished this one. End point A, this data we have already consumed. Now, which one we can take it now?
Theta is equal to 30 degree at A dash.
Of course. So we'll take theta. Must take 30 degree. That is to be done very carefully, remember. So 30 point is here. Okay. Then we'll take 30 degree and the length will be 60, right?
60.
Okay. So just for visibility, I'm making it too dark. Okay. You are not supposed to do it. in a first stroke only you're supposed to get the required darkness. Okay. So this line is nothing but the TL, and TL is 60 millimeter. Okay. This angle 30 degree. 30-degree angle, we denote it with the letter theta. Okay. Theta 30 degree. Right. Then what next? You can, as I said, once you will get the another end point, you should get the locus of point B. So again, you have to get the, now instead of taking center line, what I will do, I will take the straight line. It's okay. Locus of B. I will say in short, L of B. Can we name this point here? Is it B dash point or B1 dash? Yes. B dash or B1 dash? This is the true length, not a frontal end point. We say it's a B1 dash. Okay. So two things we have consumed now here. 60 millimeter, this we have used. This also we have finished. Okay. What's left then?
Elevation length.
Elevation length. Where to take elevation length? Where to take?
Horizontal line passing through A dash.
Perfect. Absolutely right. I will be taking this 40 millimeter. Okay. Now what I will do, I will make it a bit dark here. Okay. Suppose we say it's a B2 dash. I think it is B2 dash. So I have to write specifically here the measurement. This length is nothing but the EL. Okay. EL, simply I will write EL. I will not include here front view length. It is one and the same. It is given 40. You should not add unit here because it is understood that all dimensions are in millimeter. Okay. Now, this is what we have with reference to given data, and we have to complete the answer. And your answer, you're supposed to get like this. Okay. How will you get it? You, you have this formula with you. Okay. With reference to this, we can get it. Okay. So, what next we can do possibly? We'll try it. We're supposed to think on this. What next we can do? Can we get the B dash point here with available information? Can we get it? Can we rotate this EL? Yes. Can you take this EL with arc till it cutting the locus of B? Is it fine? Anyone, please?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So we can take a arc. Okay, where it intersect with this locus of B, you are going to get one point, and we can name this point as a B dash, right? This will be the point of your final front view, right? This will be the point of your final front view, right? So we'll try to draw that line. I will join A dash with B dash. A dash with B dash, and with this we can say elevation EL means this is nothing but the A dash B dash is nothing but your front view, or alternately we can say elevation. This elevation we have rotated to its position, so this is going to be the front view, or alternately we can say elevation, right? And with this you are going to get one angle here. This angle is angle alpha. New angle we are going to get. This angle is alpha, right? Then what next is possible? Yes, any idea?
B dash से नीचे
Yes, absolutely right. See, A dash and A will be on one projector. So obviously B dash and the concerned B point in top view, that will be going to be on another projector. Okay. So have set this line with this A dash B dash projector, and move this further. You will get, I will be doing it with pencil. So I will take the random line, right? B dash is only known, but where the B point will come, we don't know. So that's why I extended it too much. Okay. So then what next? Have you noticed the next step? Yes. We must have to mark the B point here. So you have multiple options here. You have multiple options here. Okay. See, EL. If you extend this line, and to that line, if you cut it with 60 millimeter length, you will get the TL here. This is the one thing. Second thing, you just take a projection from B1 dash. Some of you just do like this. You just extend B2 point vertically down, and then from here take a 60 millimeter in compass and cut that line. Okay. Otherwise, what you can do, you can extend this line as from TL true length endpoint will be going till the base of next view. A is the base point. So we'll be going till this point. Okay. Suppose if I say B1 point, B1. Okay. So what we can say? A to B1. Can you name this distance? Yes. Can you
PL.
name this?
PL
This is
PL.
going to
PL.
absolutely right. PL. This is going to be the PL. How much it is you are going to get? We don't know. Okay, we'll measure it later on. So this length is going to be the PL. Now, as I said, there are two options. I will extend this line, EL line. You have two options to complete your answer. One thing, you take a 60 millimeter, that is nothing but the true length here. In this, in rare cases, you will get multiple options, sometimes only one option. So you can cut this line, right? Can you cut this point, this line, extension of this line here with taking 60 millimeter in compass? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Have understood? Yeah. Similarly, second option, take a PL and take a arc, take a arc till it cuts this locus, second projector, B point projector. So obviously, both points will be appearing on the same plane. Remember, okay. If you do it with uh, taking the lines very perpendicular and horizontal, then both the points will be appearing on the same projector, just like locus of B, right? Understood? This is the one thing. Take arc where it intersect. Through this, you will get here. Which point you are going to get? Yes,
B.
point B. Point B. I will name the point B. This point, can we name this point?
B1.
By taking the 60 millimeter, we said B2. Okay. Remember, if you have done it with actual dimensions, definitely you will notice that points are appearing on the same line, same plane. And we say it's the locus of, this locus of, right? Now we can join even this point. So alternately, once you will get, suppose, initially if you get this point, draw a locus, take a 60, cut this line. You need not even extend this one. Okay. But you can have a cross check of your answer even by following the multiple options. So I will say, I will draw this line. Okay. Now, this is TL60. This is what we can say plan or top view, right? This angle becomes, this angle is phi, the inclination with VP. This angle, next angle is this angle is going to be the angle beta. Okay. I will extend this line so that even I can mark the end projector distance. A dash B dash projector and A B projector. We say it's a EPD end projector distance, right? So in this way, we completed the answer. Okay, means by various ways of giving the data or for problem statement, you can solve any problem. Okay, but as I said, very mandatorily, you should remember everything related with this case. Okay, this is going to be the basic conceptual problem with reference to which you can deal with any of the problem on projection of line. Okay, right? So Rujita, you can stop recording.